Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Bedrock using IAM roles, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS Bedrock using IAM roles, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service from the AWS Services menu. In the IAM dashboard, click on Roles from the left sidebar. Select the Create Role button to initiate the role creation process. In the Select Type of Trusted Entity section, choose AWS Service. From the list of services, select EC2 or any other service you will be using with AWS Bedrock. Click Next, Permissions to proceed to the Permissions Policy selection. Search for and select the policy that grants permissions for AWS Bedrock. If no suitable policy exists, click on Create Policy to define a custom one. Use the visual editor to add necessary permissions, such as Bedrock * for full access. Click Review Policy to finalize your policy and give it a meaningful name. After creating the policy, go back to your role creation process. On the Permissions page, refresh the list to find your newly created policy. Select it and click Next, Tags to continue. Optionally, add tags for better management and tracking of your IAM role. Click Next, Review to review your role configuration. Give your role a descriptive name and a brief description for future reference. Click on the Create Role button to finalize the role creation. Now, navigate to the EC2 dashboard or relevant service dashboard. Launch a new instance or navigate to an existing one associated with your role. In the instance settings, attach the IAM role you created previously. Once the instance is up and running, ensure that the necessary SDK or CLI tools are installed. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the AWS CLI command to configure your credentials automatically through the role. For example, type AWS configure and press Enter. Since you have set the role on the instance, you typically don't need to input any keys. Proceed with the AWS Bedrock API calls using the SDK or CLI. Make sure to follow the specific API documentation for Bedrock to utilize its features. Monitor the logs for any authentication errors that may arise during your interactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.